Hello, I'm going to do a quick summary of scales and cadences, starting with G, and then D, and then A, and then maybe even the E. So first, everybody should know the baby G scale. G, A. Fourth finger, right near the frets. The easy G is just the 3 strings. G, B, high G. Easy C chord. First finger on C. Strum the 3 bottom strings. The D chord is no easy way. Second finger F sharp. Third finger D. First finger A. You can pause and go back if you need to for this. Here's the D chord. Whoops. Second finger F sharp. Third finger D. First finger A. Then you go back to the G chord. So we did G, C, D, G. So practice that. Make sure you have that mastered. Now here's the full 2-octave G scale. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. And you continue. Now to do the big 2-octave G scale with no open strings is the next step. If you're past perpetual motion, Brother John, you should be able to play the full G scale with no open strings. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Same thing on the third string. A, B, C. Second finger D. Now the only sharp is F sharp, G. You can do it backwards with me. Ready, and G, F sharp, fourth finger E, fourth finger C, third finger B, A, G. Right on the fret. D, C, B, A, G. Hit pause and make sure you can play that scale nice and clean, no buzzes. Practice, you're programming your fingers. Now the full G cadence, the chords are the big G chord, G, B, open D, open G, D, G. C chord, C bass, E on the fourth string, C on the second string. So we did G to C, and now the D chord. Then back to the G. With enough practice, you should be able to play. Switch those chords without any interruption. So now the D scale. Students that are playing Brother John, Rigadoon should know the basic D scale. D, E, F. I'll start that again. Join me if you think you know it. Ready, and D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, E. You should at least be able to go to that D. Okay, if you can keep going, F sharp, G, A, shift to the 7th fret. You might have a dot up here for B, C sharp, D. Backwards, ready, fingertips, D, C, B, shift to the dot. We're in 2nd position now. C sharp, 3rd finger B, A. Now what is the D cadence? Think about it. It starts in D. The pattern is always 1, 4, 5. So we have D, E, F, G, A. D, E, F, G, A. D, G, and A is the 1, 4, 5 cadence. So we have D chord. Whoops. And then the G chord. And now the A major chord. See how my fingers are? I have my finger on the C sharp, the A, and the E. all in the 2nd fret. Then you end on D, because that's where we started. Okay, D cadence. Okay, practice those chords, and you'll be able to learn any songs with those chords eventually, okay? So the next scale is the A scale. Now, everyone should be able to play the baby A by the time you get to the meadow minuet, okay? Sorry. So we're starting the 2nd position. Now, there's 3 sharps in the A scale. What are they? F sharp carries over, the C sharp carries over, and the new sharp is D-do, is the G sharp, okay? So baby A, ready, and A, 3rd finger, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Try to have a good 4th finger here and banana finger here. Backwards. C sharp, B, A. Now to do the full A scale, there's 2 ways you can do it. First, we'll do it with open strings, starting on the 5th string, 2-octave A scale. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp. You can shift to A, B, C sharp. Want to try to go backwards with me? Ready, and. Third finger B, A, shift to G sharp, then 4th finger F sharp, make sure that note's clear, E, do open D, C sharp, E, A. What's the cadence for the key of A? Think about it, what's the 1, 4, 5? Use your fingers. A is 1. Because we're in the key of A. A, B, C, D. So the cadence chords will be A, D, then what? E. 1, 4, 5. A, D, E, then we end on A. So you probably remember the A major chord from the last cadence. We don't touch 6, okay? 5. A to D. Now the E major chord, you might know this from Flaming Flamenco. I have a G sharp, 3rd finger is on the 4th string, which is the E note. 2nd finger piggybacks on the 5th string, that's the B note, and we use the open E all the way through the open E. This is a fun flamenco chord. And slide it up. So the A cadence, ready, slow 4 times each. 1, 2, 3. To the D. To the E major. The 5 chord. Back to the A. You can hit pause and practice that one if you need to. Now the other way of doing the A scale, no open strings, you might remember the closed position 2-octave G scale. Closed position means no open strings. This was the G scale. And so on. So this is the G note, right? E, F, F sharp, G. G sharp, A on the 5th fret. You probably have a dot here on the 5th fret. You can do the A scale like this. A, B, C,